slime time, but with a twist. We are making slime with the inside of 5 of my squishies. I have to reach in this bowl and grab a marker, and whatever color marker I grab is the color squishies that I have to cut up. Purple. Let's start at the base of the slime. Blue. Oh, I farted. These are the squishy culprits. A purple glitter dumpling. A purple squishy octopus. Popped in my eyeball. Purple Orbeez squishy. Oh gosh, I'm scared. A purple glitter bear squishy. Oh, it just fell right in there. And one of my favorite squishies. A blue and purple beaded squishy. This is what the inside looks like. My squishies. Our activator. Honestly, it's a pretty good slime. Alright guys, what color squishy slime should I make next?